What's up, guys? Welcome back to Investing with Paco. We'll get the most up to date financial news, stock news, and cryptocurrency news. So, if you might be interested in any of these subjects, please consider hitting that subscribe button and let's grow this community. But let's get this video started. So, can Bitcoin hit 100,000 this bull cycle? That is the question for today's video. So, as you can see on the screen, we have the coin market caps right now. Currently, we're at 2.3 trillion, up 4% increase since the last 24 hours. Honestly, so far in October, it's been a great month so far for cryptocurrency. So hopefully it stays that way. So we see Bitcoin has finally broken out of the 51,000 mark, and currently it's been steady around 55,000 throughout the day. Pretty good gain today of 7% and 34% for the past week. But we need to understand what happened, what caused the price of Bitcoin to go up so rapidly, especially like in a span of a couple hours. So there are a lot of institutions out there that are shorting cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, and that's exactly what happened here. A lot of shorts have been covering on Bitcoin, so that's why we've seen like it's like a imagine like a short squeeze, but like a small little squeeze that boosted the currency up about $2,000 to $3,000 in a span of like 2 hours. So there's a lot of hedge funds out there, institutions that they're pretty much the only ones that are able to short cryptocurrencies at the moment or play any options for it. That's what we've been seeing today, and that's what we saw. Uh, Pretty much a pump on Bitcoin, and so far it looks like it's been holding off during the day. Hopefully, it stays like this. Um, little thing I wanted to see is I want to show you guys the Bitcoin chart I have up here. Okay, so I have it in the day candles. So as you can see, I drew this wedge a while ago, and it seems like we finally broken the wedge towards the upside, which is what we needed. So far it's broken the resistance of $55,000 that I had set up here, and currently it's on the way to six. Well, it's at 59, but let's just say $60,000. Um, so far, hopefully it trades in between these two lines in this little channel, and in turn, we need to see it hopefully bounce to the all-time high, which was around 64,000, which is this green line I have drawn up here. We'll see if it gets rejected or if it'll break through it and confirm that we are still currently in the bull cycle. And honestly, if we see Bitcoin break out this resistance line and becomes its new support line, I do see Bitcoin hitting $100,000 this bull cycle. It could be in these 3 months, or it could be in 2022. Because honestly, I thought um, crypto is gonna start skyrocketing until 2022, but it looks like it came in early. Another reason why I think Bitcoin is starting to surge up is to the fact that inflation is still there. The government is pretty much still saying that inflation is temporary, that it should go away, but we haven't seen no signs about inflation going away. In turn, we've been seeing a little increase month by month. So this is probably another way people are just hedging against inflation. And in turn, this is gonna help altcoins to start skyrocketing too. In turn, we usually see Bitcoin start moving first before any other altcoins move. I know Shiba is an exception, but that's for another topic. So, like I said, um, it's currently trading at 55,200 around there. And if we look at the RSI, it is in the oversold territory right now. So let's just hope it stays trading around this channel for a little bit. Um, Hopefully, it doesn't get rejected back down towards the wedge, because that's probably the last thing we want. And also, if you see at the MACD, We're starting to get a lot of green bars in the histogram, and it's trending up. So these are honestly good signs for cryptocurrencies if we're seeing this on Bitcoin. So this is why I think we will see Bitcoin at 100,000 this bull cycle, especially now that there's been talks about having an ETF for cryptocurrencies. Honestly, just that fact alone, if they do come out making that, and this year or even the beginning of next year, that alone will make Bitcoin skyrocket $100,000. Who knows if it's gonna stay there $100,000? But just for that fact alone, I feel a lot of people are gonna just want to plow into the money, just because they're gonna see more and more adoption of cryptocurrencies throughout the whole market. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. Nice, quick, simple video. No BS. If you like enjoying these videos, watching these kinds of videos, I do upload every single day. So make sure you don't miss out and subscribe to the channel. Like the video. That way we can get more views on these videos. And we'll see you until next time. Peace.